Hello, I'm Stephen Watson. You're welcomed to today's Tàijíquán Tip here at Someday Farm. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to tune into the power of words, the power of your notebook, the power of self-study, the power of holding tightly to a teaching, I guess we could say it that way. And not just the power of words, but the power of the spoken word, or perhaps even sung. You could do this singing. But the idea here is to think of a word, maybe a couple words, maybe a little phrase, but I much prefer just a word, like as elegant as I can make this. And to go through my practice and just repeat at whatever rhythm and volume suits you, and repeat that word as like a medicine to your practice. Like you'd apply a medicine X number of times a day until the wound is healed. And so for me, it might look like, I guess I would normally do it at a smaller voice, so I just realized maybe I'll speak up a little bit for you. So this wasn't maybe quite how I might do it, but softening, 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 softening. So for me, I try not to do soften the shoulders. It tends to localize things and takes it away from my whole practice, the whole being. So I'll tend to think of a word or words perhaps that would apply to most of the practice, most of the being, as opposed to just don't forget to bend your knees, you idiot, and repeating that. So I try not to have anything negative in it. I try not to have anything be too localized and specific and make it general. And then I'll tend to say it in a way at a rhythm and a volume and an intonation that supports the lesson. So like when I was saying softening, I was saying it in a softening way, at least I was aiming to. So thank you very much. And on the topic of words, maybe consider putting a comment in the video. What kind of words would you use to describe the video? Comments really help. So thanks very much.
Here are my links. Thank you. Your support is very needed.